Yeah, I didn't mean to do that.
I don't like that.
You push-ups. Ooh, ooh. Hey, are you filming me? Stop recording me.
You should KYS now.
Plop. Guys, it's Diddle. What's up, guys? It's Fiddle McDiddly Diddler. This is Jonkel Appleseed, and I'm gonna touch little John. Wait, no, cut.
He's a predator. Predator, don't trust him.
Guys, we're gonna be exploring this abandoned building. Okay, and we did it! Yay, victory! I'm gonna go freaking kill
Myself.
guys. This is the stonks for the semester. Oh dang!
I've done it.
Wait, bring him over here. Bring him over here. Yeah. Look. Oh. Wait, hold on, let me get up here. Oh shoot. Yeah! I like big booty.